Did you know that in the United States, approximately 78% of insured drivers opt for comprehensive and collision coverage as part of their auto insurance policies? Additionally, while the term full coverage is commonly used, it is not officially recognized in the insurance industry, leading to varying interpretations among policyholders. Full coverage car insurance is a term often used to describe a combination of coverages that provide a broad spectrum of protection for drivers. Typically, it includes liability insurance, which covers damages to others for which you are responsible, collision insurance, which pays for damages to your vehicle resulting from a collision, regardless of fault, and comprehensive insurance, which covers non-collision related damages to your vehicle, such as those caused by theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. One of the primary advantages of full coverage insurance is the extensive protection it offers. In the event of an accident where you are at fault, liability insurance covers the costs associated with injuries and property damage to others, potentially safeguarding you from significant financial burdens. Collision coverage ensures that repairs to your vehicle are taken care of, irrespective of fault, which is particularly beneficial for newer or higher value cars. Comprehensive coverage provides peace of mind against a variety of unforeseen events, from natural disasters to theft. However, this extensive protection comes at a cost. Full coverage policies are generally more expensive than liability-only policies. For instance, some drivers have reported monthly premiums increasing from $204 to $304 when opting for full coverage on a newer vehicle. This increase can strain budgets, especially for those with older vehicles that may not justify the higher premiums. Additionally, the value of your vehicle plays a crucial role in determining whether full coverage is cost-effective. If your car's value is low, the cost of full coverage might outweigh the potential benefits, leading some to consider dropping collision and comprehensive coverage to save on premiums. Another consideration is the deductible associated with collision and comprehensive coverage. A higher deductible can lower your premium, but will result in higher out-of-pocket costs in the event of a claim. It's essential to assess your financial situation to determine an appropriate deductible that balances affordability with adequate protection. Furthermore, insurance companies vary in their definitions and offerings of full coverage. Some may include additional benefits such as rental car reimbursement or roadside assistance, while others may not. It's crucial to thoroughly review policy details and ask questions to ensure you understand what is and isn't covered.